Hello everyone and welcome back to CameraOS TV. Today we're going to be taking a look at the brand new Fujifilm X-H2. Let's unbox this thing and check it out. All right, so let's get into this. First on the top we have some register your product info here. Some more literature stuff in here. All right, so in here we have a USB-C, the USB-C cable, a Fujifilm strap, battery, which we're definitely going to need that. Got the USB-C charging bit with the additional US and European and other plugs here. We've got a little cable holder here, which will be good. So if you're doing video, this is going to be really nice. And we have the camera body itself. So this is the Fujifilm X-H2, and right off the bat, it looks very similar to the X-H2S. Definitely the same kind of body layout and style. I'll have to do a side-by-side to take a look at to see if there's any actual visual differences on the top. But from what I can tell, everything looks the same. We still have the attachment port for the fan right here. The same nipple over here. Which is nice is that we still have the same battery as the other cameras, which is the MPW235. Right here we have the CF Express Type B card slot as well as an SD card slot. This side we have a full-size HDMI, headphone jack, microphone jack, and your USB-C port right here, which you can also use to charge the camera. Well, actually, if you think about it, this is the only way to charge the camera now because these don't actually come with a standard charger. So this is the X-H2 kit. So this does come with the 16 to 80 millimeter lens, which is in this box right here. Here's the 16 to 80 millimeter lens, and it is a bit stuck, so let's yank this thing out. So we've got our lens hood, and we have our 16 to 80 millimeter lens. So this is going to be a great lens for this camera to start out with because it's going to give you a very wide range for your focal lengths. A nice wide to a telephoto. So yeah, I mean, not only that, but it does balance in the hand really nicely. I'm super excited to go check this thing out. I'm gonna be putting it through its paces and doing a review on it here, so make sure you subscribe for that. And yeah, while you're at it, check out this video right here, which is gonna be the brand new 56mm 1.2, which is technically the second version. So check out that video. We'll see you next time.